Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. Well, this is me Suri Prakash, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you can increase your Wi-Fi speed in your Android device. First of all, let us take a look at our current Wi-Fi speed. Let us go here and let us perform a speed test. Right now, as you can see, this is my current internet download speed. So as we can see, my current internet download speed was 30.2. Now let us perform those steps which I show you, and then let's come back here again. Okay, go here and here, go to your settings, click on view more. Here we can see a setting known as IP settings. Just click on it, and from DHCP change it to static. In the static you have various things, but what you have to change is the DNS settings. The DNS1, just enter 8.8.8.8, and in the DNS2 just enter 8.8.8. After you have done it, just leave the rest of the settings the same and just click on save. Once you clicked on save, make sure to restart your device. Once you're done restarting your device, come back. Now I've done restarting my device, so I'm just going to take a speed test again. As you can see, my speed is a bit more than the previous one. I know it's not much big of a difference because my maximum internet speed is 30 Mbps. So as we can see, but it was better than the last time. But if you're facing some serious internet issues, this will speed up your internet by up to 10 times. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, then just make sure to click on the like button and the subscribe button near to the like button, and the bell icon near to the subscribe icon if you want more such videos. And please let me know what kind of videos do you want next. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.